And a former Clermont County teacher is accused of sexually abusing some of his students.
Special prosecutors in the Ohio Attorney General's office are now involved.
David Brown recently resigned after years as a teacher at Goshen High School. Angela Ingram has the story.
For years, David Brown was a science teacher at Goshen High School. This is a 2001 mugshot of Brown from a Clermont County conviction of vehicular homicide. Last month, a grand jury indicted the 47-year-old on 4 counts of sexual battery.
There's a lot of power that teachers have over the voice of a teenager.
Advocates who work to prevent abuse by teachers and staff say there are different types of offenders. Investigators claim Brown started abusing students as early as 2003. Experts say often an abuser will groom a child first before committing a crime.
Even if they're 18 but they're still in school, because of that power differential, they're still protected because of that.
The Ohio Bureau of Criminal Investigation's Crimes Against Children's Unit started investigating Brown back in 2015, and 2 years later, the state's cyber unit joined the investigation as well.
Teachers and coaches have a lot of power over students, and that they have power over their grades, their playing time, their letters of recommendation for college. They can have that student be expelled.
Brown fathered the child of at least one of his accusers. He was put on paid administrative leave in June of 2017, and according to the school, he did not teach at any schools afterwards. Goshen schools would not go on camera, but the superintendent sent a statement that reads in part, quote, "In October of 2018, while continuing to cooperate with the authorities who were investigating Mr. Brown, we decided that accepting his resignation would be a smart resolution that would finally bring this matter to a close for our district," end quote. If students were abused, experts say the healing process could go on for years.
It's always lifelong for someone, and that this is a traumatic event that's going to stay with them, even if they don't see it traumatic at the time.
In Goshen, Angela Ingram, Local 12 News.
Brown is scheduled to be in an Adams County courtroom Monday afternoon.